Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. We are on our way to Littlehampton. Come along and let's enjoy some beach vibes. Mwah. So Littlehampton is outside London, and we left London around 8:45, but we arrived at Littlehampton around 11:12 a.m, so roughly 2 hours. So we went in a coach. I went with some family friends to enjoy some beach vibes, and so this is a little bit of a road trip and tour. So we soon entered Kent. As you can see, Kent welcoming us as the Garden of England. So not long afterwards, we entered Littlehampton, and Littlehampton is a town or seaside resort and pleasure harbour, and the most populous civil parish in the Arran district of West Sussex, England. So Littlehampton is known for two award-winning beaches, the beautiful River Arran and a large seafront green, which makes Littlehampton a popular destination for individuals, families and couples. So as you can see, I spotted some paragliding going on, and we came in our two coaches. So that is the first coach, and we just got down from the coaches. You can see everyone holding their lunch boxes. It was a family and friendly gathering, as it's popular for Littlehampton and the beaches they have there. So when we got there, I realized that there was a low tide situation going on because the sea had gone backwards, as you can see. So it took us a long time to walk to get to the water, but later on in this video you are going to be seeing that the tide rose. So where I am now is actually the beach, and where I am going into is actually the seabed, I would say. So by distance, this is the longest I've walked on a beach for a low tide. So all this area is going to be filled with seawater in a couple of hours time. So you can see that the water is pretty clean, and I just love the temperature that the sea, the water had going on. So one interesting scene I seen on a beach or in a beach environment is this group of people in white who were having a marriage ceremony in the sea. And this is the first time I'm observing something like that, and it was quite interesting. And so this is quite deep. The level we are on right now, the water was somewhere on my knees, and I'm 5'6", so you can imagine looking at the distance from where we came from to where we are now. So at this point I am done collecting some stones and walking in the water, as I love to do when I go to the beach. I decided to walk on this beautiful promenade, and this is quite signature for Littlehampton. So Littlehampton hosts a safe and sandy beach, trendy promenade, and large picnic greens, and this beach is widely regarded as the most family friendly safe beach on the south coast of West Sussex. So I saw this Sharksville golf adventure, and out of curiosity I just decided to find out what it's all about. And I saw this little guy, not so little shark here, and it's quite interesting to see. I've never seen a shark before, so seeing that statue of a shark gave me a rough idea of the length and size of an actual shark. I was actually told there are sharks that are bigger than what the statue they had there. And right behind the golf place is this playground for kids and adults as well, and it was quite interesting to observe and enjoy. So this is the shark, and as you can see, it's taller than I am, and at this point I'm thinking whether or not to actually go sea diving to see sharks. Yeah, that's quite interesting. So still on my little adventure along the promenade, I just decided to show you the level of the sea water now. As you can see, it's risen, and the Littlehampton beach is actually patrolled by lifeguards in summer months, as you saw earlier on. So there were some interesting architectural structures along the beach that are quite good for pictures, and yeah, some of them hosted shops that sold ice cream, snacks, food, beach artifacts, so on and so forth. And so these are the large green gardens or areas that they have to host families and groups of people who come to enjoy themselves at the beach. So all too soon it was time to go back to London, and I must say this was a very calming, refreshing, and fun, exciting experience. This is my first time going to a beach in London, and in this case near London because it's outside of London. So my first time going to a beach in UK, and it was really, really exciting. I had fun with my friends, and it was something that I can't wait to come back and enjoy, and also see other beaches in London. So if you have any recommendations, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And if you are watching my video for the first time, my name is Josie, and I love to share beauty, lifestyle, and travel content. And so that's it for this video, fam. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe and never give up. Love you all. Mwah. Bye, fam.